The kitchen has a long and transformative past. Once just a room to prepare food, it's now become the center point of most modern homes. Kitchens are now used to dine in, spend time with family, and even work from home in some cases. As our lives change in dramatic fashion, our homes become a reflection of those huge changes. And the kitchen is just one room that gets changed the most. Here are some of the current and upcoming trends in modern kitchens. Number 1, colorful cabinetry. Gone are the days of just gray and white kitchens. If you're purchasing a new home, you may find gray as the standard still, but for moved-in homes, color is back on the table. Not only are cabinets back in technicolor, but using color as other accents around the kitchen is back in fashion as well. 2, marble instead of granite. While granite countertops are still popular, we're starting to see more marble in the kitchen. Not only are marble countertops trending up, but marble backsplashes and floors are also making a comeback. That is, if you can afford it. 3, multiple islands. Because the kitchen is continuing to solidify itself as the center of the household, the island is usually the center of the kitchen. And the kitchen island is home to core household activities, which is why we're now seeing 2 islands in some of the newer kitchens. Islands are the most versatile space in a kitchen, so it makes sense that homeowners are looking for more of that space. 4, hidden storage. We're seeing more and more storage being put behind doors, in closets, and just generally camouflaged in the kitchen. In some instances, we're also seeing upper cabinetry being removed to give kitchens that super clean and minimalistic look. All of this results in our final trend, which is kitchens that look less like actual kitchens. These spaces are becoming less single or even dual-use spaces and more of a hybrid space that serve as a multitude of uses, which is why a lot of modern kitchens are looking less like kitchens and more like kitchens, lounges, dining rooms, living rooms, and more. Personally, I prefer a kitchen to look like a kitchen, but that's not where we're seeing these design trends go. What do you think? Do you like modern kitchen design, or are you a kitchen purist? I'd love to hear your opinion. Thanks for watching.